Tim Moore here with TLC Floor Care, and we are on floor 3. We just scrubbed floor 1, and I'm going to flip the pads. Ooh. Not too bad. Not as bad. It actually went through to the other side. So it's not as bad as, the other 2 floors were, but the first floor is a very short floor. It actually only goes to probably about right here. So all of that is missing on floor 1. Now they do have a meeting room I didn't scrub, but I did scrub the food area where people have breakfast. So a lot less carpet, that's why it's not as dirty, but we're gonna scrub this floor, get it ready, and tomorrow we're gonna be extracting this floor and floor 1. Tim Moore, TLC Floor Care in Smyrna, Tennessee.